Starting around the 25th of April 2023, Bitgert especially is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.22% in most recent 60-minute, which essentially is genuinely huge. Brise especially has an in every practical sense complete market cap of $160,496,032 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,323,509 in an especially huge manner. This by and large makes Bitgert especially positioning at 172 in the digital money market, which is very critical. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023. What will Bitgert in a real sense be genuinely worth in 2023 amazingly? Is Bitgert a very wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023, or so they for the most part thought? Will Brise cost really outperform its record-breaking high, as opposed to prevalent thinking? These sort of are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in a quite huge manner. Bitgert value expectation 2023 as per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Brise cost truly is supposed to commonly cross an extremely normal value level of $0. The normal truly least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be $0, exhibiting how might Brise cost especially outperform its unsurpassed certainly high in an exceptionally huge manner. Besides, Brise can arrive at a most extreme value level of $0 in unpretentious manner. Bitgert value figure April 2023. In April 2023, the cost of Bitgert explicitly is supposed to especially be at around an especially least of $0, or so they explicitly thought. Bitgert cost can in a real sense arrive at a kind of limit of $0, the typical cost of $0 USD. Sort of additional appearance how starting around the 25th of April 2023, Bitgert in every way that really matters is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.22% in especially most recent 1 hour in a by and large significant manner. Bitgert value conjecture May 2023. In May 2023, the in every way that really matters, most extreme cost for Bitgert could by and large stretch around $0. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in May 2023 really is $0 and especially normal cost of $0 a kind of huge manner. Brise value gauge June 2023. The Bitgert conjecture for June 2023 expects that the Brise may generally arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0, a base cost of around $0, which truly is genuinely huge. Discussing the genuinely normal value Brise can truly stretch around $0 June, which fundamentally is very critical. Bitgert value expectation July 2023. The cost of Bitgert in every practical sense is fundamentally anticipated to essentially reach at an in every practical sense least worth of $0 July 2023. So Bitgert cost can by and large arrive at a limit of $0, the typical cost of $0 USD. Truly further appearance how starting around the 25th of April 2023, Bitgert explicitly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.22% in for the most part most recent 60 minutes. As opposed to mainstream thinking, the Brise cost could sort of arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $0, the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0 through 2023. So in the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert be genuinely worth in 2023 in a significant manner? Bitgert value figure August 2023. The Bitgert cost for August 2023 may basically arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $0. The really greatest estimated cost by and large is around $0, which especially shows that besides Brise can truly arrive at an essentially most extreme value level of $0, which especially is genuinely critical. The truly normal cost for Brise for the most part is truly anticipated to generally reach $0 August 2023, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitgert value expectation September 2023. Bitgert cost certainly is supposed to sort of reach between $0 September 2023 while the typical cost of Brise for the September stays around $0 value forecast October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Bitgert cost certainly is conjectured to explicitly arrive at an in a real sense the least cost of $0, or so they generally thought. The Brise cost could truly arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $0 the in every practical sense, normal expected cost around $0. Kind of additional appearance how Bitgert cost can essentially arrive at a limit of $0, the for the most part normal cost of $0 USD. For the most part further appearance how starting around the 25th of April 2023 Bitgert truly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.22% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they for the most part thought. Brise value estimate November 2023. The Bitgert figure for November 2023 expects that the Brise may truly arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $0, a truly least cost of around $0, or so they by and large thought. Discussing the typical value Brise can fundamentally stretch around $0 November, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Bitgert value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the greatest cost for Bitgert could sort of stretch around $0, which generally is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in December 2023 fundamentally is $0, a sort of typical cost of $0, or so they certainly thought. Bitgert sort of past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been truly diminished by 2.14% in its fundamentally current worth, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Assuming we sort of look at the essentially current market cap of the Brise with yesterday, you can explicitly see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down in a for the most part significant manner. Bitgert, all things considered, is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins. The Brise certainly is down to nearly 10.38% over the most recent 7 days in a sort of significant manner. The coin certainly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for sort of beyond couple of days. The coin could basically have major areas of strength for extremely in any case. We don't by and large figure that it would a beneficial resource in beautiful present moment, or so they certainly thought. Bitgert value gauge 2023 FAQs. What will especially be Bitgert especially worth in 2023, which especially is genuinely huge. The Brise cost in every practical sense is determined to by and large arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $0, pretty least cost of $0, the finish of 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Does Bitgert especially have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as value, Bitgert in a real sense has an extraordinary sort of potential to arrive at new levels in a really significant manner. Essentially, it is figured that Brise will increment in esteem, exhibiting how Bitgert value conjecture August 2023. The Bitgert cost for August 2023 may by and large arrive at a really least worth of $0. The especially most extreme estimated cost is around $0, which shows that besides Brise can truly arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $0, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per especially unambiguous specialists and business experts, Bitgert can basically stir things up around town much the most exorbitant cost of $0 2030 in an especially significant manner. Is Bitgert by and large worth purchasing in 2023, which especially is very huge? Bitgert's worth for the most part is supposed to generally keep on growing, as lack will in general especially support cost rise, which really is genuinely huge. Kindly note, there really is a gamble to any speculation, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking, only in every practical sense. Put resources into what you can especially achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the